What is up, everyone? All right, today's big day, big video. Everything's big and great. So today we are officially leaving down to Florida for the LZ Invitational. You excited?
Yeah, I didn't get no sleep, but I'm perfectly fine. It's weird. My body's stupid.
Just excited.
Right.
You've never been to Florida before?
Never been to Florida.
Crazy. I feel like if you're from Connecticut, you've been to Florida before. I feel like they're like, there's like a weird link to the two.
No vacation, no whole phase in Florida.
We were here all weekend working our asses off trying to get the cars ready for Florida because, as you guys know, we were bringing two cars. Of course, one, the E36, the competition car for the LZ Invitational. Boom! Was like, oh no, we gotta buff the car before we leave. I said, you're crazy, but he buffed the car and it looks, I don't know why you buffed the car.
It makes my OCD happy.
Okay, look how, I mean, I hope you could tell a difference on video, but it like looks just more red, and dude, it looks like a 2023. It's silly. I don't know why you did that. That's bad.
It just saves time. Now just quick wash and floor and it'll be good.
You're so wild, dude. But look how good the car looks. I can't wait to drive with the boys. But on top of that, of course, we are bringing the Chaser because we need a fun car. I need to commute all the boys in, and that is the Chaser. And well, we also shoved something in here that we definitely needed. You know the vibe.
Bad Bunny all weekend.
These things slap so hard. We'll show you guys that later, but the Chaser is so good right now. But before we talk any more about that, we have to pack up, and we have a lot of.
Let it to be our luck the day we go to leave Connecticut. Show 'em.
Yep, first snowstorm of the year. I'm pretty sure this happened last year. I think it snowed the day we were leaving. All right, well, let's go clean this thing off. Man. Oh, the squeegee works, man.
Oh, the broom is better.
The broom's better?
The broom's better.
Yeah, fuck you. Not pumped to try and get the Chaser on this thing.
It looks so steep, I'm scared.
It's gonna be interesting. Well, Oaks Garage Damage Prevention Team, full force today, boys. Any moment later. So now this is the very stressful part. The E36 shouldn't be too bad to load because the car is pretty tall, but it's the Chaser. That's what I'm worried about. Oaks Garage Damage Prevention Team, back at it again. Oh
boy. That sure looked easy.
Yeah, this car is tall. And I'm pretty sure it's still scraped in the middle.
The thing I've seen is the middle, there's like that resonator. It might hit when we take it off.
Taking the cars off is always way harder than putting them on, so.
I gotta put my head under that car. Look how much.
Put your head under there, Ant. Right here. You can fit your head right here.
Definitely good.
And I want to
Almost.
got a big head.
This year we got colors on it. Last year it was all black. Last year was crazy though. The truck was brand new. We had the coupe that was fully redone, and the black S15. It looked ridiculous last year. I'm excited, dude. Dude, we didn't say it before. We're gonna be in Florida for like a week, which is pretty crazy. So
10 days.
I think we're all gonna. I think we all really need that warm Florida sun and just some time with the boys. So I'm very excited for it. So if you guys are excited for the vlogs to come. Now this is the part of the video where I really hope the title doesn't turn into "We total my JZX 100." Getting it on a damn trailer. I'm putting a lot of trust in these boys right now. Yeah, stare at the side skirts like it's your
Yeah.
Didn't cut that out, that was weird.
Austin, you edit that out.
I was like, what's the first thing Spoon cares about?
These sides get more attention than my Make sure I'm going on straight. When you get up towards this way, you have to cut it this way. Oh, that was close, but you're good.
Give it one for the one time. It sounds so much better. Spoon, you killed that. That sounds so good. So good.
The perfect amount of street car exhaust.
Fuck! that sounds so
Oh,
good.
it sounds like a Jay-Z now. Stop stressing yourself out.
Jimmy Stressed Oaks.
That's it.
That's good.
Ooh, real nice.
That's what's sick about the LZ Invitational, right? Because it happens every year at the same time, and like every year you kind of have seen like the different levels of progress with just like anywhere from just like build qualities to build amounts to everything. So it's cool to like see the staple of each year and how everything changes.
Of everything in the event, everybody coming, everybody driving, it's nuts.
It's just everything about it. All the friends that show up, all the homies. It's cool. So this is kind of like the end of the year, kind of like recap in a sense. So cool.
We're even gonna have merch at it this year.
Yeah, a couple things of merch. We don't have much left from Black Friday, which is sick. Shout out to you guys. But we'll have some merch there too. So let's spend the next hour strapping all this stuff up and whatever. Let's get to it. All right. So while we were packing up, these just showed up, which is sick. So Cone Egg sent us some extra hypergrams to give us some drift spares for the weekend. Look at that, boys.
Pretty.
Drift spares. Love that for me.
What does it smell like? Smells like wheels. Smells like the Cone Egg.
We're trying to get everything prepped now, so we show up, we can get right to work. We set up so we could have a test day before the Invitational, so we rented out OSW because we haven't been able to test the E36 since our day at E-Town, and we definitely need some more testing with it. So
we got a day at OSW?
we got a 4-hour session at OSW.
I'm gonna put that E36 to the test.
Nice. Scare the fuck out of me. It does every time. All right, so next struggle is fitting 3 pit bikes with all those drift spares. But according to the plans, there's supposed to be a little pit bike track on the compound this year. So we can't go empty-handed, of course. Get all the way over. You think you got all this room? It fills up so fast. That and go over to the top one. Now I gotta fit like 8 wheels in there.
Nuts eating the ice in the cold.
Yeah, what are you doing?
This is a terrible idea.
That's like drinking hot chocolate on the beach.
The crazy thing is, like, you don't need a special license to do this. Like, look how much metal I'm in charge of right now.
That's a fucking missile rolling down the road.
Dude, this is literally the same length like a semi. 17-year-old kid with a standard license could legally drive this. How funny is that? I'm so happy. So DJ is getting his car shipped down with Tommy's car and his car, right? Because he has a 2-car. Yep. So we're gonna catch up with DJ later in the week. But I'm upset you're not gonna be with us. But I'm hyped that this car's gonna be there. So good chaser. Come on. Well, let's all wish good luck to DJ. He's gotta drive the thing up to Tommy's on the salted roads. The poor thing. All right, so we're loaded up, and now we're gonna go and meet up with Grant. He's about an hour away, and we're gonna convoy down together. So we'll see what the trip has in store for us. That looks so sick. Here pulls to Grant Anderson.
Look at this. So famous he don't even have to drive himself.
Or film.
What's up, dude?
How are you?
Good. What's up, dog? How are you?
Road dog.
Damn, Ant, come on, dude. I got a spot.
I can't
Let's
wait.
go. Let's go.
Hopefully mine doesn't look like this by the end of the week.
It will.
We talked about this, but no one's seen it yet. There are actually 2 different color reds because E36s came in 2
Brilliant.
red. This is Brilliant.
Yeah, mine's Hell Rock.
Exactly.
This is Brilliant Rock.
This is technically the E30 color. Mine's
I
a.
can't wait to see them together.
People are gonna think mine's like painted the wrong color or something, but it's two different colors.
I didn't even know that.
Well,
That's really
exactly.
cool.
Little spicy surprise this week. You might not even be able to see the color of my car.
Putting the livery on this week?
Yeah.
No way.
It's getting shipped to LZ's.
Full livery?
Yeah.
I'm not. Don't ask me to help because I'm not.
Full
good at
liver.
it.
I got Stevie.
You ready for summer camp?
Yeah, I was DMing Stevie last night. I'm like, man, this is my favorite time of the year. And Steve's like, it's like going to summer camp with all the boys.
All the homies
Yeah.
are in one
Salute
spot.
your
It's
shorts.
crazy. And like, what else can like house so many groups of car guys in one besides the
It's literally
compound?
the only place in the world besides like Ebisu or something where we can all of the friends get together and hang out for the week. Like, it's so sick.
It's dope. Like when you'll be there and like it'll be like everyone's car will be on the lift in the main garage. Everyone's working on their cars together.
Everyone's shit is broken. We're all trying to rush to fix it before the invitational.
And us Freezy boys are escaping the cold.
Yep.
Yep.
Fucking drop the high chill.
You dropped the high
chill.
Eat it. Attaboy. It's so cold.
Can't wait for that Florida heat.
Florida is technically, well, where Adam is, about 16 to 17 hour drive. For some reason, it always takes 20. Like, traffic or not, it's always 20 hours with stops and everything like that. If it's the shit time, 24. So we got quite a bit of driving to do. We were planning on getting a hotel tonight, but we had to leave so late today that I think we're just gonna thug it out and drive straight through the night. Luckily, Spoon could drive with the trailer, I could drive with the trailer, and homeboy Austin here.
I can drive with the trailer.
Also certified, which is the best thing ever.
yeah.
Honestly, Ant can handle it. I'm not worried about that either. But he'll be Grant's road dog for
If
this
you all
one.
like died or something, then I can handle it.
Imagine Big Steve with the trailer.
Oh man, I got faith in him.
I can swing this bitch. Are you kidding me?
Once you get past Virginia, it's smooth sailing. It's just straight.
Yeah, I can swing
So
this.
you take 2 routes.
You should try it.
I'm convinced there's nothing that I can't do.
All right, we didn't show you guys on camera yet, but I want to show Grant while we're here. Grant, we got a system in the Chaser now.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I have to show you
Oh,
before
I
we
saw
go.
you put subs in it.
Spoon will let me put one in the E36.
Let him put one in, Spoon.
Yeah, put a little more. Put a
Last
little
time
more.
you said, oh, it's a calm
I
down.
said
You
I was
don't.
gonna get the ghost box and put at least 2 speakers in it.
Yeah, we got a bump.
Put a little more weight in that thing, Spoon. Slow him down a little more,
We can
all
put
right?
a 12 over the, if you put it above the rear axle, it's
Yeah, you'll be
valid.
fine.
We'll
Yeah,
put
yeah.
a big old chuck. Remember,
Yes.
what was that thing on Pit My Ride, the jackhammer?
I'll be honest, I saw it without the kit. I'm like, damn, that shit is whack. And then you put the kit on, I was like, okay, it looks really good now.
Unreleased Jimmy Main song we made one night as a joke. It's about the hits. What the? That's too much. Too much. Just wait for it to hit. Just wait for it to hit.
If the license plate don't rattle, I don't want to hear it.
This is all Florida. Just wait for it.
That is a ported box, too?
Ultimate vibes this trip. Ultimate vibes.
Pull up to Florida real poppy with it.
That's the only way to do it. That's it.
Either 95 over the GW, which kind of don't want to do.
Alright.
It's 81 through Pennsylvania, which is like the boondoggler way,
Yeah.
out in the middle of nowhere, or it's 95, but we got to take the Garden State, which might be a little sus for you.
Let's just GW it.
Okay.
All right. All right. All right.
Let's go!
We're out. Welcome to New York.
New York.
We have a lot of signs like that to pass. First truck stop. Just pull up.
I was telling Ant, I leave my shit running, so it looks like someone's in the truck right now. Leave it running and locked.
It's the fridge.
Road trip, boys. That means we eat like shit for the next 2 days. We all got Burger King, shame on us. But look at Ant here. He's got Chex Mix, pretzels. What is that?
Life water?
That guy doesn't want to be on the toilet, and I kind of respect
And
it.
what do you mean? You got a salsa dip for the pretzel? You're wild.
He got a Twix and a bowl in his back pocket, too. That's his go-to.
Trying to win a small house?
Austin, you gotta show that too.
Ah, fuck.
Spoon.
Bust.
What?
Winner big, buddy.
Here, Spoon, I got you.
Thank you, sir. Gambling's bad. Blame Ant. It was his idea.
It was definitely
Back and forth. It's really cool.
That is really cool. Yeah.
The sound
the
level.
bust. You feeling lucky, Ant?
No.
He ain't looking lucky.
Jersey took us.
Ant's paying his taxes to Jersey right now.
Mock
They take half of it.
Winner, boy.
Yeah, it was double the price. We all bought scratchers.
Something.
He's addicted. He's addicted.
I just want to see.
That's what they all say. Ant's developing a problem right in front of our eyes.
He wins right here, and we're like, it paid off.
What? Yeah, right? Nothing. None of us won a single dollar.
That's why I want a
dollar. Usually you at least get a free ticket or something. First hurdle, making it through New York City. Did that, check. Now we're in New Jersey and, well, I don't know. I don't fucking know.
I don't fucking know. Let's just go.
Well, boys, we made it. This is our monumental stop every year. South of the border. If you guys don't know what it is, it's basically like this pit stop like on the border of North Carolina and South Carolina, where it's like all Mexican themed gift shops and stuff. It looks like it was maybe popping in like the 90s, and then that's about it. It's just like a leftover, but we take a picture in front of the sign every year. It's 4:30 in the morning, but we had to do it. Half the sign's not working, what the fuck? It's part of it. If you guys have been watching the channel for a long time, you know. Oh, this side's lit up. Fuck yeah. Kind of. South of the border. Yep, leave it cut, keep going, keep going. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Yep. Now back it up. Straight. It's all about placement. We've been doing this since, like, if you guys saw like the trip where we got Adam's S13 and drove up Connecticut. We stopped here. We did like our first donut. We both did like our first donut ever. Right here. It gives you something to look forward to in this 20-hour drive. There's not much to look forward to going 95 south. What? I'm gonna shut up. Get your blood flow.
Cold out here, baby.
Here we go. It's super late, everyone's freezing. Steve wants Chinese food, but so far it's been good.
Minus a cone.
Yeah, what did you, we good here? No casualties? Spoon hit a cone pretty damn hard.
You took the exit last minute, all right?
I've been in that lane, but we're gonna end it. We got about 8 hours left of the trip, probably 10 with stops and food and whatnot, and then we're in Florida. We get to it, but we're gonna end the video for now. And hopefully we can find somewhere to upload it. Thank you guys for watching, but this week should be very exciting. We're gonna try our best, a daily vlog. We never do that, but we got a lot going on and we got a good team, and I'm very excited for it. So, oh man. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.
Have a good night.